Hey guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? So today I thought I'll take up this makeup challenge wherein I do my full face makeup just using one eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people have done this. I thought, why don't I try this? So I have done my base because of course without your base, you can't do it with the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is from my favorite Huda Beauty. So this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So when I thought I have to use only one palette, of course this is the only thing that came in my mind. I just love Huda Beauty and her products. So let's start this challenge. So I'll be using this shade, it's called Shy. And I'm going to apply it on my eyelids now. And now I'll be taking this shade called Bossy, which is this. And I'm going to apply it on my crease and the corners. And now I'm going to take a blending brush. So I'm just going to blend this. Now once I've done that, I'm going to take this shade which is called Angelic and I'm going to apply it. Just in the center. Just open my eyes up a bit. So this is done. Now I'm going to take this palette again and I'll use this black shade which is called the Black Truffle, and as I don't have an eyeliner, I'm going to use this as my eyeliner. If the application is difficult, just use a setting spray and then you can use it, or just dip your brush in water. Look like I'm wearing eyeliner, so yeah, this is not that bad. Then I can complete this challenge. So I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to apply it here on my waterline. Be careful when you're doing this because this is powder. So this is done, and come on guys, I have to use a mascara because I can't use this as my mascara, so I'm just going to go ahead and use mascara. Once I've done that, next is my brows. So I'm going to take the same brush that I use for lining my eyes, and I'm gonna mix black and brown together, or maybe like mix 3 of these shades together to get my eyebrows done. So I'll take a little bit of Soot and Cocoa, and let's see, I'll apply it. Just gonna fill in my brows because black will become just too dark. So I'm done with my brows. So I'll be taking this shade called Cocoa and I'll contour my face with this. I'll take a little bit of cocoa. It's a little too dark for me, but it's okay. once I've done that, I'm going to take this shade called Bossy and I'm going to use it as my blush. So So that's done, and now it's time to highlight my face. So for that, I'll be using this shade called Moon Dust. I'm going to highlight my face with this. And now for my lipstick. Oh, okay, this is going to be really difficult, but I think I'm going to use the shade Bossy again on my lips. So I have applied lip balm before starting my makeup. So here's a lip liner. I'm going to start applying this onto my lips. Let's pray it looks good. I'll start with lining my lips. So this is my full face using just one eyeshadow palette, which is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I think the result is not bad at all. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below and hit the like button, guys. See you soon. Bye.